More than 200. This small land. We know. That's what the radio are watching. But why they do that? They should have all come here. Yeah, well, let's play. Let them come. Yes. We are there.
Because this is their school actually for the farmers.
Yes.
That is its intention. It's not for state house. For the farmers over here.
So we have tried to group our intervention here in some economic mind. We want to have 1 acre of enterprises that give you money every day. Get money every day, young, poultry, and fish farm. That one you sell every day and get money. That one you establish 1 acre. That's what the president is saying. Then you have another acre where you can have income after every 3 months. So after every 3 months, you have like carrot, like tomatoes, like cabbage. Vegetable. Yes, 90 days you have the money. Then you have another acre of enterprises that stay in the garden for long. In the north here, we like plowing after 3 months. Then again, you go back, harvest and plow again. But now we want enterprises like coffee, like banana, which can stay in 1 acre for long, and you just keep on harvesting and selling. So that's the 3rd acre. Then the 4th acre is for food crops, so that you have enough food at home to eat. Then the balance you can sell. So that is the basis of the 4-acre model. And in all this, when you do the computation, the money is more than 200 million per year. I can just give you an example now. Where we are standing is 1 acre of livestock dairy. Wakero Diamuni. Diamuni, these are the only 2 years ago. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much. Please, keep it short to Kampala. And I'm sure the one will be
Yes. After making it like that, like this, we put like this in the shoe mount, then we last and it become like this, like the real shoes. Then we again change to leather. This one is our real product. We are making it from here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The real leather with the real shoe. You can see. Now the real thing and the knowledge I got from here. It will help me. I know it will help me.
You know, I try for to Uganda. To Twale, the Dindogu, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Make Katiki Riama Mapira, not my tech to 12 Man Riama Mapira, tech, any gin Mawan or Miro. Tiki Riama Kid. How old are you?
I'm 22 years.
Thank you.
Okay, time going to mana. I don't get time going to mana.